Welcome to our website. I'm going to present you a tailor-made supply chain tool. It's composed by a supplier templates, then a tool Analyze, and the SAP export data. First of all, we have here a tool. First of all, we have here a supplier templates model. Then here we developed a data with countries and language and suppliers type. Then here by the language we have a tool to translation for the header. Then here the job list that it comes from the data. Then here you have the supply chain tool for Analyze. So here you have the setup import. You can put the link to import the file that they are generated by country. You choose the type, and the data will come directly on the spreadsheet, and then you will do it your analyze as you want. So by clicking the button, here we are, the data are completed. Then here a file Excel with the header that they are set up for the SAP data. So by clicking here, it will go automatically on the column. So thank you for watching this small video, and call us to more information. Thank you. Bye bye.